Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you have not liked and subscribed the channel, please like and subscribe the channel. In this video I am going to share you something how you can improve your dynamic group efficiency with if you are using a Intra ID Dynamic groups to deploy any profiles or applications from Microsoft Intune. So as you can see, this is Microsoft Intune. And what is the benefit of this one? Why I'm showing this video? Why you want to learn about this dynamic and what is actually Microsoft is removing and adding in this dynamic groups uh, formula. So I'm gonna show you. So this is Microsoft Intune, and you see, click on groups because we're talking about the groups. You see there is no groups. Click on this. You see Azure Active Directory is now Entra ID, so you can call Azure Active Directory or Entra ID. So now if you click on security groups, I'm just giving a name of test group. You can give any name, right, whatever you want, assigned to dynamic users and devices. So here you can select the dynamic users or dynamic devices. If you click on assign, then you have to select the members manually. So I am selecting dynamic users, and now query. Here here you have to select the property, right? So you see account should be enabled and operator. Now here what they are actually removing, I will show you in the operator. So there is a content field, right? Note content, there is a content field there, it's not there. Here note content, yeah, and then content, that these two are actually Microsoft is going to remove. I will show you, there is an article published here. So you see here why actually this when you why actually the Microsoft is going to remove or recently remove this uh, in this version. So you see the to, to encourage the performance of dynamic groups rules, like the content and node content operators were recently removed from this rule builder, right? Why actually they remove content and node content approver? Why? Because maybe the certain properties and operator, like these content and node content are not uh, significantly efficient in the group processing. So they think that it should be removed so that we can optimize the rule by more performing alternate, like such as equal, not equal, start with, and not start with. So, and you see here there is a, if its account is enabled, it says there is no content, it's still there, so it will get removed. Content they have already removed, so you can use equal, and you can value, you can put true, right? So if its account is enable and true, it will show here, right? Now you can add more expressions here, like and or whatever you want to do. Select account enable, anything, whichever you want to do, you can do it, right? You can also add the custom attributes. Let's discard this one, and I will show you go to the dynamic devices. What is the difference between? Now select dynamic device membership. Here we'll select here device, suppose OS type. Okay, so you see here in the OS type, you see still node content is there. So you should not use this node content. Anyhow they will gonna remove this in the version. You can use equal to, not much, right, to increase the efficiency. So device OS type should be Android. I'm just making it. You can add expression, but if you want to still want to use content or node content, you can always click on edit, and you can put the here, instead of equal, you can put it here content. Okay, so you can use like this, but I would Microsoft is going to remove this operator in this here, but you have the options too. You can always customize this rule by click on edit. You can also use the attributes, right, and put as per your choice, right, but make sure if you are used to of these operators, they actually they have announced to remove this content and not content operator, okay, with this version. So if you are using this version where you can check this version, you can go to the tenant administrations here, Microsoft Intune portal, and then you see here the service release is 2401. So if you click on that, right, 2401, 2401 is released on January 22nd, right? So that's somewhere you can find this. I think that this is the article, so it's not a tenant version. If you go to here, this is a message center actually. Yeah, this the MC is message center. So let's copy this and we'll search. Okay, so this is message title service health. So you have to go to the tenant status and you see the message ID here. So let me search it here. It's not there. Let me click on here. Okay, it will open to the admin.microsoft.com, and then here let me search this message center when they have sent it. So not sure why it's not displaying, but you see the message ID here. So this message has been published by Microsoft to remove this. So you can find it in the by using this message ID here, and you will see the category here. I hope you learn the interesting thing and the new things when actually why they are removing the operators in the dynamic groups creations to make some efficiency for the admin, because those operators are not being used or not much efficient for the admins. Till then, thank you. Have a good day.